For safety reasons, handset, headset cannot be used until after takeoff. Please keep your SIA boarding pass for exclusive dining, accommodation and shopping offers in Singapore. You may refer to the Silver Creek magazine for more details. Health tips are available in the travel health card which can be found in your seat pocket. We would like to wish you a pleasant flight. Can you please select doors to order ready? Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please pay attention to the safety video which will now be shown. Thank you.
On your way up, you just go there, okay? They don't have door now,
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. We're now highlighting the safety features of our aircraft. Your safety is one of the importance to us throughout this flight.
Please watch the safety video presentation, even if you may have seen it before.
Never mind, we'll see later then.
First, stow your hand luggage in the overhead compartment. Take care when opening the compartment and ensure that your luggage does not fall out. If there is sufficient space, you may also put your hand luggage under the seat in front of you. Any luggage which cannot be securely stowed will need to be checked in.
Transmitting devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off at all times. During takeoff and landing, the operation of any electronic equipment is not allowed. Please switch off your electronic equipment now.
Secure your tray table and put your seat upright. Stow your in-seat video screen, handset, and footrest. If you are traveling with a child, attend to yourself first, then the child.
In case of an emergency landing, put your seat upright. Fasten your seatbelt and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward as far as possible and lock your arms in position. And now the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat or under the armrest. Remove its plastic cover when prompted to do so. Slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist straps around your waist. Connect them and tighten the strap by pulling it outwards. You should inflate your life vest only when you're about to leave through the emergency exit. Pull the red tabs firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into the mouthpieces. Use your whistle and light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. Take note of the exit locations on this aircraft. During evacuation, do not take your personal belongings with you.
If smoke is present, keep low and follow the escape path lighting to the nearest exit. Emergency exits are fitted with slides which can be used for land evacuation or as rafts on water. Remove any high-heeled shoes prior to using the evacuation slide.
Passengers seated beside the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew. Please refer to the safety information card for details. This card also has details of the use of the life vest and oxygen mask. as well as the location of emergency exits and evacuation routes.
Smoking is not allowed on board all our flights. Smoking in the lavatory will set off the smoke alarm.
Thank you for your attention.
And have a pleasant flight.
Mr. Yap, one is ready. Okay. Thank you.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder to ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and the window shades are up. Thank you.